My name is Sherry Bonelli with Early Bird Digital Marketing, and today we're going to talk about how you can edit your Google Business Profile information. It's important to keep the information on your Google Business Profile accurate and up to date. Google makes it easy to edit your business profile. So potential customers can find out more information about your business. You can edit and change information like your address, hours, which is especially important if your business is going to be closed for holidays, for instance, photos, and other information. Keep in mind that Google may review your changes for quality before they publish your changes. If you only have one location, the easiest way to edit your information is directly from Google Search. Make sure you are logged into the email account used to manage your Google Business Profile. Then do a search for your exact business name, or you can search for My Business. To open your business profile, select Edit Profile, and then Business Information. Here you can go ahead and make any edits that you need to make. Be sure to select Save in order to save the information. So here you can see that the information is pending and that Google needs to review it. Now, if you have multiple listings, you can go ahead and manage your listings from the Business Profile Manager. Visit business.google.com. On the left-hand side, click Info. Here you can make edits to your information. Again, after you make changes, be sure to select Apply to save those changes. Now, if for some reason you want to remove a section, you can click on the X to remove that section and click Apply. Keep in mind that it could take up to 60 days for that information to get removed from your business profile, and it could stay up longer. Unless that section is inappropriate to your business, I really wouldn't recommend removing sections. The business information that's available to you for editing is going to largely depend on your categories. So what you see on your screen may be very different than what you see on my screen. So be sure to check the Edit Your Business Profile on Google Help document for more detailed information on the different features you can edit that are category specific. Again, it's important that you keep your business profile updated with the latest information. Be sure to update your company's information so people see the correct information about your business.